Today I'm going to show you how to format your Works Cited page. First of all, I've opened up a Google Doc. I'm going to go here and I'm going to make sure that I title it so I don't lose it, and I'm going to say Works Cited. And you can put the subject just so you have an idea of what class it goes to. So the first thing you need to do is you need to have your name. Everything should be double spaced. Your teacher's name, double spaced. The class name or subject, and then the date. These need to be all double spaced. Then you need to center your title, which is Works Cited, double spaced, and then you go back to the left. The heading is very important. You also need to have the title Works Cited. Now I'm ready to start pasting some of my citations that I had saved from Sitefast. So I'm going to go to Sitefast. I have 5 of them here. I am going to go down to the bottom left and click copy and paste. Then I need to select all of them, and you must copy these. Just selecting them isn't going to put them on your paper. So I'm going to copy them, close this window, go back to my Works Cited, and I'm going to paste them. We'll worry about the formatting in just a second. Sitefast also gives you a title. I don't need 2 of them, so I'm going to get rid of that one. Now, I know that these were my images that I found, and I found some information also, but I also have another website that I went to, and it was the Art Story, and I found some great information, so I need to cite this article also. And I'm going to copy the website address, and I'm going to go back to Sitefast. Now, it is not an image, so I'm not going to do other web image. I'm going to go here to where it says web page, and I'm going to paste the URL there. Click the little magnifying glass, and it will start to create your citation for you. Most of these sites don't have an author. It tells me the document title is Picasso. I got it from the Art Story. There is the URL, and down here is the citation. I'm going to click Save. So now that I added that, I need to add that one back into my Works Cited. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy that one, go back to my Works Cited, and I'm going to paste that one also. Now I need to indent this, so I'm going to move those over. Now what the problem is here is this is not what? Double spaced. So I need to highlight it, make sure I change it to double spacing. Everything looks good here. I'm now going to put it in alphabetical order. So this one starts with an I, P, A, Picasso, and R. This one is out of order, so I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to put it here. I need to take it away. I don't need that anymore. Now, the last thing you need to do is your indentations, and the easiest way to do this is to highlight all of your citations, go up to Format, and you're going to go to Align and Indent, and all the way down to Indentation Options. Don't worry about the left because that one's already set. You need to do a special indent. You need to click on here, and we want a hanging indent. I'm going to click Apply, and wonderfully, it has put it all. So what happens is I certainly don't need little dots. So now I have everything is in alphabetical order, and I have everything double spaced. What happens in your citations, the first line is over on the left-hand side, and all of the other lines underneath it should be all indented for each citation. So if this one had 3 lines, the second and the third lines would be indented. And that's basically, so you need to make sure, there's one more thing that I need to add. I need to make sure they're all the same font. So I'm going to select all of them. I'm going to change mine to Times New Roman. That's usually the most common one. Size 12 is the best one, and now it is ready to present. If I add another citation from a website, let's say you get something from one of our databases that already has the citation, just paste it in here. Remember, you would have to go to Format, Align and Indent, Indentation Options, and change that one to Hanging Indent, because you're pasting it in here after we've already formatted it. That's basically how you do a works cited page. I hope this helps.